A lot of young people who live in the city, normally they crave for nature. And some of them are trying to fill their apartments with little plants just to reconnect with nature. I am one of them, and I struggle to keep them alive. Unlike dogs or cats, plants can cry or wag their tails to even get your attention. What's worse, most of us don't even know their real names. That makes it harder for us to find other information about them. Luckily, with Plantopia, a tool that I developed with my team, things are going to be much easier for people who are just like me. By simply scanning the plant, you can easily find out the name and also other information that you need to know to take better care of them, such as how often should I water my plant, what kind of soil I need for my plant, or do I need to fertilize them? By registering them on Plantopia, you can actually give them access to talk to you. If you see a little red angry face, that means they have something to say. Going inside of the chat room, you will see the messages sent by your plant, reminding you to water them. Once you actually did it, they will put back on their green smiley face again. Oh, you cannot overwater them because it might hurt their roots. And Plantopia will make sure that does not happen. The ultimate goal of Plantopia is trying to bring people back to nature, bring their attention and curiosity back on nature. Simply starting with building a sustainable relationship with their house plants.